Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I will show you how you can draw realistic lips step by step. Do watch the video till the end. So without wasting any time, let's begin. In first step, we will draw the outline of the lips. For that I am using mechanical pencil. Now we will draw a rectangle for the reference and mark two lines in the center. Now we will draw a V shape just above the center and a curve below it. And now we will join it to the horizontal reference line. In second step, you can erase the reference line for the first layer of shading. Now I am using 2B and HB pencil. And now I am using 3B pencil for another layer of shading. In third step, we will cover the darker areas. Now I am using 4B pencil. And now we will do the detailings. And now we will create highlights. I am using mono zero eraser. You can use normal eraser by using its sharp edge. And now we will blend this using HB pencil. And now I am using 5B pencil for some extra dark regions. Thanks for watching guys. If you liked the content, please do like the video and comment your views or any query. For upcoming art videos, please do subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Stay safe and keep drawing.